Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I have been having an itch to film this for quite some time. And I feel like I really need to get this message out. I feel like somebody out there has to hear this message. If you're going through a breakup, if you're going through some type of separation, I feel like a lot of my friends and family have they've seen me like as this strong person overcoming this breakup, but I feel like so much of past experiences have really helped me with this situation. So I really wanted to get on camera and help anybody that is going through something like this, because let's be honest, it is not the end of the world, and I'm here to tell you what I learned and what helped me get through it. The first thing that really helped out was just learning the art of detachment. I learned how to detach from certain situations and people, you know, outside of the romantic relationship, like with friendships, jobs, just any situation. You get the gist of it. Learning to detach from the outcome. You know, you really want to just embrace and love the experience when it's in your life, but when it comes to an end, just understand that it's played its purpose and now you're on to the next chapter. And I feel like that was the second thing that I learned when I realized that the relationship wasn't serving either of us. I got so comfortable, I got complacent, I was okay with being lazy, I wasn't growing spiritually, physically, emotionally. I was stuck. Towards the end, I got really frustrated with how things were panning out. It wasn't what I envisioned. It wasn't, you know, how my plan was supposed to turn out. But when the relationship ended, I realized right there that it was meant to happen that way. Like, as soon as we came to the understanding that we both really shouldn't be in this, I became aware right there. So, and also realized that no relationship is ever a waste of time. I am so very grateful for everything that I've learned with this person for the last 3 years of my life. I definitely feel like I have become so much stronger, so much wiser, and so much more aware. Now, I have had a couple of friends that come to me, and while they're going through their breakup, they get stuck on the question, why doesn't this person want to be with me? But I feel like that is the most obvious answer just within that question. Because if a person really does truly want to be in your life, there wouldn't be a question about it. If they don't want to be in your life, it is not your job to sit there and wonder why. No matter what you do to keep that person in your life, you can be loyal, you can put your whole heart, your whole everything into the relationship. There's nothing in this world that you can do to keep a person that is not meant to be in your life. And if this is the first time you're seeing me and you stumbled upon my channel, there's a lot of videos with my dog Bentley. He's actually my ex's dog, but together, you know, we've been a little family unit for 3 years. That's gonna be the hardest thing to let go of. Bentley was my baby. Bentley was everything, and animals, they just give you so much unconditional love. So you're not gonna see Bentley anymore in my videos, but I'm learning to accept it, learning to understand that Bentley was also supposed to teach me something in life, and you know, later down the road I'll get my own little Bentley. Well, of course there will only be one Bentley, but you know what I mean. I envision myself with a little blue-nosed pit bull. I fell in love with pit bulls after having my little Bentley. I know and understand that people heal differently, people heal on their own time, but if you are going through something like this, if you're having a hard time letting go, just remember that it sucks to say, but everything is temporary in life. Whether you break up or one of y'all is gonna die eventually, that just goes to show you everything is temporary. So realize that this life is just a constant flow. And so once you're in that flow and you realize and you're aware that everything has its purpose, things come in your life on time, when you realize that, I feel like things will get easier to accept. And if you're going through something and this video helped you out, please go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know. I would love to support you even more. But that's pretty much everything that I wanted to touch on today. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of my YouTube family. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!